Hi guys, I'd like to share with you how to import contacts to your iPhone. Sometimes we need we need to know how to do it very badly, and from my experience, it looks so hard. It looks so hard. It sounds so hard, but it's easy to done in few steps. Trust me, it could save your bucks and time. Let's see what I have done for you. How to import contacts to your iPhone. Suppose we have a contacts file in Excel file or CSV files, and we need to send, or you need to copy these contacts to iPhone. This is our goal. In here in CSV file, it means comma separated values. That means values comma values comma values. This kind of format, like name comma address comma phone number comma, this kind of format. This kind of file can be opened in Notepad or in Excel, no problem. However, we need to copy this file to iPhone or transfer this file to iPhone. You know that iCloud server, there is iCloud server. Every iPhone have an iCloud account. If we send these contacts to iCloud account, then iCloud will do the rest. iCloud will copy all the contacts to that following iPhone or to your iPhone, no problem. So, and one thing is noticed that iCloud account only import vcard, not CSV, not Excel file, no nothing, only import vcards, iCloud compliant vcard. That's why we need a middleman, a third party, that is Google Contacts. We need help from Google Contacts. How? We upload all our contacts to Google Contacts. From Google we import these contacts to Google Contacts, and then we export this Google Contacts to as a vcard in our PC, and then ask iCloud to import this vcard to the iCloud, so the mobile phone can be populated with these contacts. This is one way, this is one scenario. And other, if you have a Microsoft Outlooks, then you need to export your contact as a vcard. As we know, Microsoft vcard does not support the iCloud's compliant. Microsoft vcard are not iCloud compliant. That's why we also need Google's to upload this vcard to Google Contacts, and then Google to export as vcard as iPhone compliant, and then upload to iCloud. So it is noticed that at a time Microsoft, you can't make vcard more than one at a time. At a time only one vcard you can make, and it's not supported by iCloud, so you need to go to Google. And another thing is this kind of vcard conversion software price is $24. Export Outlook contacts to vcard. And here is another one, free to try, 5 contacts limit, and if you gonna buy it, it will need $90.95. Microsoft Outlook will allow you to convert only one contact at a time into vcard file. So however, this is the roadmap to the pace to convert, to transfer contacts to iPhone. I have made few videos here and linked up with this video. You can link according to the video and you'll get the solution. I hope you like my videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.